Losing weight in 30 days, 8 tips, tricks, and strategies. Welcome once again to Skin Makeover Everything channel, where we inform you on tips, tricks, and how-tos for losing weight and staying fit. If you are watching our video for the first time, kindly take a moment to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I drop a new video. And for our old subscribers, we want to say thank you for coming back. Back to the video. Losing weight doesn't have to be hard, and in fact, it doesn't even have to take more than 30 days. If you find the right strategies and stick to them faithfully, you can make big strides toward your goal in that time frame. The following are some tips, tricks, and strategies that can help you lose weight over the course of 30 days and keep it off forever after. Are you ready? On your mark, set, go. 1. Set up your diet. The most important thing is to be realistic with your expectations. Create a diet that you can stick to for the next few months. In order to make this diet work, you should plan it out carefully. It's best if you start by listing all of the foods that you like and use them to create a menu for yourself. When planning your diet, set realistic goals for yourself, such as eating 2 healthy meals per day or cutting back on soda intake by half. 2. Get over cravings. Cravings are a tough problem to get over. Here are some ways that you can fight them off while still sticking to your diet. A. Eat fruits or vegetables before a craving hits. This will take away the hunger pains and make it less likely that you'll give in to temptation. B. Drink water instead of soda or juices. These drinks will only add to your hunger pains and make it more difficult for you to resist cravings. 3. Eat more fiber. Fiber is an essential part of any diet. Fiber helps regulate your blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of food from your stomach. It also supports regular bowel movements and reduces constipation. Fiber can be found naturally in vegetables like spinach and broccoli, or obtained from foods such as whole wheat bread, quinoa, oats, nuts, and beans. 4. Eat 5 to 6 small meals a day. There are a lot of different opinions about how to lose weight. Some people swear by the eating 6 small meals a day approach, while others follow the 3 big meals a day plan. Others eat based on their blood type or don't eat at all for days at a time. The truth is that no one way of eating is right for everyone, and there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to losing weight. 5. Take supplements. One strategy for weight loss is to take supplements that help you feel full faster and lose weight quicker. The weight loss supplement industry was worth $6.5 billion in 2020. Weight loss supplements come in a variety of forms, including pills, gummies, powders, and liquids, like teas. They promise to help you lose weight without having to rely solely on eating a balanced diet or exercising regularly. And they're extremely popular. Examples are Ketosis Advanced, Custom Keto Diet, Java Burn for weight loss, and Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Their links are in description below. 6. Drink water before meals. Drinking water before meals is a great way to cut down on hunger. Plus, staying hydrated can help you feel full faster. So if you're someone who snacks after eating breakfast or lunch, try drinking a glass of water beforehand. You'll be less likely to reach for that afternoon snack later on if your stomach feels more satisfied. 7. Exercise daily. Exercise is important for many reasons. It's good for your physical health, it improves your mood, and it can even help you sleep better. If you're looking to lose weight, exercise can be an excellent tool. The key is to find the right type of exercise that fits into your lifestyle. Some people prefer a vigorous workout, while others enjoy walking or yoga. Experiment with different types of exercise until you find something that works for you. 8. Get enough sleep. One of the most important things to do is get enough sleep. If you're not getting enough sleep every night, it's going to be really hard for you to lose weight. Sleep deprivation can lead to overeating and less physical activity. This means that when it comes time to lose weight, your body will be fighting you every step of the way. So make sure you get at least 8 hours of sleep a night so your body can heal from all the wear and tear it experiences during the day. Conclusion. If you're looking for a way to lose weight fast in 30 days, then applying the 8 tricks discussed above can help. First, start by planning out your meals for the week ahead of time so you know what to eat when hunger hits. Second, get over cravings. Third, eat more fiber. Fourth, eat 5 to 6 small meals a day. Fifth, take supplements. Sixth, drink enough water than juice. Seventh, exercise daily, and 8, get enough sleep. Until I see you in another video, happy shedding those excess weight. If you enjoyed this video and the value in it, kindly take a moment to like, share with friends and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this.